TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Friday afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Friday. 60 minutes left to go in the trading week, coming into a long weekend. Be safe out there. Have a great weekend. No drunk driving. We'll come back here on Tuesday. The market's coming into that long weekend. Right now we have S&Ps up by 3 points, trading at 39.20. You're looking at the NASDAQ 100 up 16 points at 13,745. Get the NASDAQ itself up about 17 points right now, above 14,000. 14,044. The Russell barely in the red by about 3 points at 22.82. Pretty calm market, all things considered. Jumping around to commodities. We'll start it off with Bitcoin, whether it's a commodity, whether it's a currency. Bitcoin up $185, hanging right near that 47,000 mark, 47,710. Quite the week for Bitcoin we've had. You back it up last week, you were at 36,000 last Friday. We're at 47,000 this Friday. Quite the acceleration. Gold contract backing off from 1856, the high this week of Wednesday. Gold's trading at 18.19. We're down $7 on the session. Silver is up 24 cents at 27.29. And we got notes and bonds right now. A little bit of lower price and higher yield. We're talking about a 10-year yield right now above 1.2%. The 10-year is off 10 ticks at 136.17. You're looking at a 30-year off a full 0.6 ticks right now at 166.02. Quite the acceleration there in notes and bonds. We'll jump over to the volatility index. Our man Dave White talking about he had a trade in the UVXY this week. The VIX. Could we get a 19 handle by the end of Friday? Very possible as volatility gets sucked out of this market as the indices remain relatively near all-time highs. Jumping around to some of the stocks with action today, we'll kick it off with Disney. Quite the earnings last night on Disney, but watch out. We're negative this morning, down 1.5%. We give it all back overnight and on the opening bell. Disney trades from 194 down to 188 right now. In context, we're basically back to where we were yesterday afternoon. You put Disney on a daily. I mean, talk about hanging. Basically, yesterday, folks, we came into it basically at all-time highs. So, we've talked about it many times before. It was all priced into this equity. They had to knock it out of the park just to live up to expectations, and they're actually down 1.5% when they beat basically every expectation you could think of. Profitable, Disney, profitable for the quarter. A big surprise there. All of that having to do with Disney Plus. We'll get into some of it when we come back for the program. I'm going to be filling in for my dad. He'll be back in action next week. We're going to be talking to Dave White with technology at 3:30. We got an hour left to go in trading for the week, folks. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.